Hey everyone, so I am here to bring another haul your way. So this one is going to be kind of a mix of a couple different things that I ordered online, but it is beauty related. So let's get into it. The first place that I ordered from was Madame Madeline. I'm not sure how you say it, but it is a website that I love to order lashes off of because when I order in bulk, obviously the price goes lower the more you buy, and I usually get around 20 sets of each lash just so it's worth it for me, and they end up being about $2.60 per pack, which is infinitely better than if you were to pick them up in a drugstore, Target, wherever else. You're paying at least half the price. So I definitely make sure to stock up through them. And I love that they include freebies all the time. So this time I actually got 3 freebies. Usually you get 1. So first I got the Ardell Individual Not Free Naturals in short as a freebie, which is great because that's like half this haul. So I'll take 1 extra. Then I got the Duo Dark. This is the individual adhesive, which I thought was really interesting. Typically, I just use the regular Duo Dark. I always use Duo Dark because I like how it blends into the lash line better than if you were to use the clear one and it's kind of shiny looking when it dries. But I've never used the dark kind or any kind of the individual specific glue. So I'm curious how it performs differently. But yeah, so got that for free, which is cool. Lastly, I got these. These are brow building fiber gels from Ardell in taupe. There's 2 of them. So that's kind of my shade, which is cool. So it should work. So I'm really interested in trying these. But yeah, so got some freebies. But basically, the majority of what I got here are lashes, are individuals. So I got 20 packs of shorts and 20 packs of mediums. From Ardell, the individual not free natural lashes. These are my go-to when it comes to individual lashes for clients. They're very comfortable, they're easy to work with, they're easy to apply, and they look super natural, super beautiful. They look like your lashes just grew overnight. So these are my faves, and I go through them a lot because most of my clients always get lashes. And if they do, most of them get these. Every now and then I have someone who wants a strip lash, and so I always have them in my kit, but majority of people really love the look of these. And they're just comfortable. You know how strips at the end of the night, you just want to rip them off your eyes because they're super heavy? These don't do that. Next, this is really random, but I got some more thank you cards from Target. So I actually got a different design this time. They're these cute, like, black and white cards with little flowers kind of stenciled on there. I put thank you cards in all of my bridal touch-up bags just as like a special little touch. I really think handwritten notes go a long way and they're very important, and I think it's becoming a lost art. So it's very important for me to include that. So this is the one I chose this time. Lastly, I got a few things from Camera Ready Cosmetics. So Camera Ready Cosmetics is one of my favorite websites. It's the website that I use probably the most often when it comes to restocking makeup products. They have good pricing for professionals. They have a huge variety of brands, so it's just a really good one-stop shop. So the first thing I got was another View set. This is the one that holds 24 full-size lipsticks, and I got this specifically for putting my lipsticks in. So if you saw a couple videos ago, I did release a brand new lip product line with 8 lipsticks and 8 lip glosses. Shameless plug. I am wearing one of the lipsticks and the lip gloss here. It's Lustrous Latte lipstick with Skinny Dip lip gloss on top, in case you're wondering. But it was important to me to be able to depot these for my kit because even still, it's still my brand, but it's my kit that I am condensing. So I don't want to have to put 8 full-size lipstick tubes in there if I don't have to. So I got a separate one just because I wanted to keep them separate so I could see visually. But that's just what it looks like. Those are full-size lipsticks that it holds in there. And it's a little bit of a process when you're depotting them, but it's so, so worth it because using this is so easy. You just scrape a little bit out because you want to be sanitary in between clients anyway. And this takes up so little room in your kit. It's amazing. So had to get another one of those. And then as soon as I bought it, I saw on ViewSet's Instagram that they may be coming out with really mini editions. So ones that hold like 16 lipsticks, but it's like a quarter of the size of this. And I was like, great. I probably would have just gotten that one for the amount of lipsticks I have here, but it's okay. But I'm on the lookout for those. So next I got another Z palette. This is the large Z palette in black. I use one of these pretty much on the daily in my kit. I have one of them for my personal shadows, and then I have one of them in my professional kit. I wanted to get one more just because the one that I'm using in my kit is getting older, and especially with all of the intense cleaning standards that we have right now, it seems to maybe be wanting to fall apart. So I want to be safe than sorry and have a backup, and I also just want a black version because I think it's more sleek, more professional. The one I have right now is, I think, a zebra print, so I have this as a backup just for when I'm ready. Lastly, I got 4 Inglot eyeshadows. So Inglot makes gorgeous eyeshadows. They're so buttery. They're so easy to work with. They're so easy to blend. And so they come in these little... This one's broken. I didn't open these before filming, so, alright, I'll have to contact them about that. But anyways, like I was saying, hey, it happens, it's fine. The eyeshadows as a whole, they are the most beautiful shades. A little goes a long way. They blend like a dream, and I just love them. I love adding them to my kit. So I got a few more just basic kind of light bright shades because these are the kind of shades that my clients like the most, especially for bridal. So those are kind of the shades I got going on. This one was like a deeper kind of bronzy taupe. Easygoing. I guess it wasn't. So, yeah. This shade is Cheers. And then we got Crush on You. And what shade are you? Enjoy Life. So, I believe that's all I have for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if there's anything that I should be looking into when it comes to my professional kit. Are there eyeshadows that I'm missing out on? I love these individual ones that just pop into a pan, like a Z palette, like a MAC palette, things like that. So if there's any that I should look into, let a girl know. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.